Hello, Chris Turner here, firefighter and technical advisor with Brimstone Fire Protection. If you've got a lithium-ion battery that's been involved in a fire and you've deployed a fire blanket, perhaps one of the Preventer heavy-duty line of blankets, you've hopefully controlled the fire to the point where it's not as energetic as it would have been otherwise. No showers of sparks, no ejections, no jet flaming, but you'll still have a lot of smoke that's being created, both toxic and flammable gases. And you might even see that that heat of that battery has created a hot spot and ignited some of those gases. Realize that these flames are being fed by the gases being emitted by the lithium-ion battery itself. And so as those lithium-ion batteries continue to be consumed under that blanket, and as those gases finish being expelled, it's possible and likely that those flames will actually extinguish themselves. But what happens if those flames are near other combustibles and you're worried about those flames spreading to other things? Well, if you're in an industrial setting where you are part of a fire brigade, or perhaps you are the responding fire department and you're trained with these techniques and you have the correct equipment like full turnout gear and respiratory protection and things like that, you'll find that you can put out these flames, these edge flames and this cold side flaming with very little water. If there's a garden hose available, that would be sufficient. We even just used a standard 2.5 gallon water misting extinguisher here, and with as little as a few ounces of water, overall we used less than half a gallon of water in this entire event. You can see that it's very easy to put out these edge flames and these cold side flamings with just that little bit of mist. Now this helps control the fire a little bit more by not letting it spread to other combustible materials, etc. So whether you decide to try to put out these flames or not is mostly dependent on the situation in which you find yourself. If you're worried about other combustible materials catching on fire, then it might be important for you to put out these flames. But remember, don't ever try to do this unless you're trained and equipped to do so, because it is still a very dangerous situation. So if you have any questions about the Brimstone line of lithium-ion battery fire products or any concerns at all, please feel free to reach out to us, and overall, please be safe.